Hi guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Windows 11 25H2 latest update available now on your Windows 11 PC. So here is the downloading and installation process. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to Windows update settings, scroll down and click on Windows update, and thereafter go to right side, and here either you can click on check for updates, and it will, if you have turned the toggle button on against get the latest update as soon as possible, then it will automatically available here. So simply click on download and install it. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process of Windows 11 25H2 update, latest update on your Windows 11 system. That's all.